from Merit that they just launched. It's their archival set. So this is lips. Now I figured this would actually pair really nice with like my eye look. So if the eye look looks familiar, it's because I filmed it for a different video, but I wanted to input this clip for the set. Okay, so we have the signature lip. This is their lip liner. Love the packaging. You just kind of turn up and then you can pull it back down. There's also a sharpener. How cool is that? So this is in the color, oh, let's do this hand. This is in Archival. So it's nice and like, just like a really nice nude liner. It's very close to my lip color. Next is the signature lip blush. They're all called Archival, by the way. This is cool. It has a very like soft texture. It's very interesting. It has a matte finish, but it feels, it's not drying. None of their lipsticks are drying. I've tried almost all of them and I like all the formulas so far. And this is the Lip Slick shade. So this is a very kind of like, sort of a little bit mauve-y, very neutral. A lip like this is good for every day, but it's also really nice when you want to pair it with like a smoky eye. So starting off first with the lip liner. I'm just going to take it and line. Now with lip liner you can line the whole lip, fill it in, or you can just use the outer part. There is pigmentation. I just put this on. It's definitely nicely pigmented. It's very soft and creamy. That's so pretty. This is pretty and just throwing that gloss on top, but I want to do the whole like set. This is such an interesting, it's an interesting formula, right? This is my first time using one of the lip blushes, which is like more of a matte. It feels like lip balm. It feels like freaking lip balm. So like cushiony, moisturizing, but it has a matte finish. That's like a, what's that word? A paradox, like when it's like opposite, but that's that. Okay, and now the lip. So you can, again, you can stop here or you can throw a gloss on top. I'm weird. I don't like to layer it over because then I feel like it mixes in here in case I ever want this to be like that color, but let's see. That is beautiful. Again, hydrating, it's not sticky, there's no funny taste. I'm super, like, I'm a little bit weird when it comes to products I put on my lips. I don't want to taste it. I don't want it to have like that weird thing where you put it on and then you start coughing because there's something in it that irritates my throat. Not the case. This is beautiful. I do want to explore a few more of their blush colors. I think that's beautiful. It does not feel like anything on the lips. And side note, why do I feel like I look like a villain right now? Like, I don't know if it's like the dark hair, the dark shirt, and like the smoky eye. I just feel like I look like a villain. Anyway, that's got nothing to do with this video. So, all right. So this is the Archival set.